So users of cyclists share services that categorizes into two types. First is the cyclistic members, and the other one is the casual riders. So so the pie chart below shows the total number of trips each kind of user took from July 2021 to June 2022. So cyclistic members have recorded an overall higher activity with um, at least 56.89% of the total trips taken. Casual riders, however, have recorded that is 43.11% of the total trips. So cyclists have a variety of different bicycles. They can be categorized as classic, duct, and electric. The bar chart below, on the other side, shows the total number of trips each user took on the three different types of bicycle from July 2021 to June 2022. So cyclistic members prefers the classic bicycle than to the electric one because from the bar graph it has been recorded that is 41.97% of the total trips. On the other hand, only 14.92% were taken at the total trips of the electric one. While casual riders have also shown a higher preference for classic bicycles, which has 26.12% of the total trips taken. Good evening, everyone. We are here to present the Trailblazer e-bike, and my name is Janelle A. Diocampo. I am the business administration of this project team. With me is Lester G. Buwan, the technology specialist. So from the data I have presented earlier, classic bicycle has the most outstanding numbers or customers have been using. So these are major reasons or the problems. First is the customers may not want to try new things. So of course, customer resistance to change because of probable cause is the fear of the unknown. So customers are often comfortable with what they know and use, and by trying new product, it requires a huge amount of effort to learn and adapt, which can be discouraging. They also have the lack of trust in new brands because if the company launching the product that is unfamiliar, customers might be hesitant to take a chance on it. Next problem is it's hard to market new product. By ever changing of technology, reaching the target audience and identifying and reaching the specific group of customers that who would benefit most from the new product can be crucially challenging, especially for the niche markets. And next is it's too expensive in creating innovative product because it has high cost of product innovation in steps of the research and development, prototyping and testing, from manufacturing complexities, and also in inventory management. Features and design requires significant investment in from those aforementioned. Presenting Trailblazer e-bike. So this innovative concept transcends the limitations of traditional e-bikes by incorporating cutting-edge technology, specifically designed to elevate the rider's experience. The Trailblazer e-bike prioritizes enhancing your enjoyment, boosting your safety on challenging terrain, and empowering you to explore further and shred harder than ever before. So one of the solution is first, it provides effortless, and power control. So bikers or cyclists conquer tough climbs and technical sections with much more ease, and thanks to its innovative technology. Next solution is it provides unprecedented customization options, transforming your ride experience. So it has options that allow you to tailor the e-bike to your riding style and preferences. Next solution, it provides features designed to elevate your riding experience, instilling newfound confidence as you master even the most technical trails. So of course, our features or solutions has mastering the trails. It navigates technical sections with newfound confidence that also elevate your riding experiences. In features and benefits of our project, first, it has the integrated lights and anti-thefts. So by having this, you ride with confidence even day or night. And these integrated lights ensure excellent visibility when riding in low light conditions. And it also provides peace of mind by deterring potential bike thieves, allows you to focus on the ride and enjoy the scenery. Next is the regular bikers and enthusiasts alike can conquer trails with newfound ease and personalization thanks to Trailblazer e-bike innovative innovative product. So in all skill levels, bikers, enthusiasts, and regular bikers can now conquer challenging trails with newfound ease. This innovative technology, like powerful motors and adjustable settings, it empowers riders to personalize their experience and tackle any terrain with confidence as well. Next, features and benefits. It improved navigation that eliminates map fumbling and ensures riders stay on track. So say goodbye to frustrating map fumbling because it integrates with navigation apps, providing clean and convenient on-screen directions, which eliminates the need to constantly stop and check a map, allowing you to stay focused on the ride and enjoy the journey without getting lost. And last and finally, a wireless phone charging that helps you stay connected on the trails. So you never run out of battery again. The Trailblazer e-bike features has a built-in wireless phone charging system, keeping your phone powered up for music, navigation, or capturing those epic trail moments, which has eliminates the need for bulky power banks or scrambling to find an outlet, ensuring you to stay connected and capture the memories of your adventure.
First, in our Trailblazer, our target market we choose is Pampanga in 2030. Why we choose Pampanga? In Pampanga, it's relatively here a flat terrain and scenic landscape, and it's offer a great opportunity for recreational cycling. E-bikes can be make cycling more accessible to wider audience, including those who might find traditional bike too physically challenging. So in 20 years, in 2050, we're gonna expand our business in the whole Pampanga. And another 20 years, 2070, we're gonna expand worldwide. Yeah. First, in our financial aspect, the team has aiming to have a grant from a founding agency lectures from 2 years of operation. Uh, we are proposing amount of 8 million on this, including the salary of employees, project teams, and another equipments such as material equipments and another indirect expenses. On the first quarter of all the first year of operation, the company needs 339,000, and on the second quartile, we need 798,000 is needed on the operation. And in the third quartile is needed 588,000, and the last is 8 million. In the first year of operation, we need 300 people in Magalang, or people of Pampanga State Agricultural University, and has how to sustain our operational business. We target 300 customer user in different municipality of Magalang, Pampanga. The 300 user expect to get 5.7 million reviews and average of 8 million sale per week. That's all for our financial. Again, we are the Trailblazer e-bike team. Unless you're inner shredder, ride farther, ride stronger, Trailblazer e-bike.